In Destiny 2, Act 2 refers to the second part of a larger seasonal or story-based expansion where the narrative deepens and new challenges, quests, and activities are introduced. Act 2. Act 2 typically builds upon the foundation set in Act 1, expanding the lore and introducing more complex character arcs, plot twists, and gameplay features. During this phase, Guardians often find themselves facing escalating threats where it could be a new enemy faction, growing darkness, or a significant betrayal. These story developments push players to uncover hidden truths, force new alliances, and engage in more challenging content. Act 2 usually brings new missions, strikes, and raids, each designed to test skills of the players while advancing the overarching plot. New weapons, armor, and other rewards are often introduced as part of Act 2, encouraging players to engage with the content to power up their guardians. It can be obtained through completing new activities, solving complex puzzles, or defeating powerful bosses.